Let me ask you something. When you hear the word charisma, what comes to mind? A natural-born leader? A celebrity with magnetic charm? Or perhaps you think, I don't have it and I never will. If you've ever felt that way, this session is about to change your perspective completely. Charisma isn't magic, it's a skill. Just like learning how to code or mastering Excel, you can develop charisma with deliberate effort. Let's debunk the myth, born charismatic versus built charisma. Here's a common misconception: charisma is something you're born with. Let's debunk that myth right now. Research in psychology and leadership studies shows that charisma is a skill, not a trait. Yes, some people might have a head start, but anyone can learn it. Think of charisma like riding a bicycle. Some people might learn faster, but with practice and the right techniques, anyone can pedal their way to success. Here's a case study example. Consider Priya, a mid-level manager in her office. She wasn't the loudest or the most outgoing person, but by refining her listening skills and learning to exude warmth, she became a go-to person for advice and collaboration. Her team started describing her as someone who just gets it. That's built charisma. Let's take a quick poll, reflect on someone they find charismatic, and list the behaviors that make them stand out. Was it active listening, confidence, and positive energy? Now you know what made them charismatic. Let's look at the 3 pillars of charisma: presence, power, and warmth. Presence means giving undivided attention to the moment and the person you're engaging with. In the workplace, it's about making people feel valued and heard. Let's look at practical example. During a meeting, instead of multitasking or glancing at your phone, maintain eye contact, nod, and engage. It's as simple as saying, "That's a great point, can you elaborate on that?" You can pair up with friends for a brief conversation. At first, let the other person speak while you practice focused listening. This is a charismatic behavior. Power is about projecting confidence and competence without arrogance. It's showing that you're reliable and capable of making an impact. Power in charisma is like the engine of a car. It doesn't matter how sleek the exterior is if the engine doesn't run well. Here's a quick tip for you: use power poses before important meetings. Example: stand tall with hands on hips for 2 minutes to build inner confidence. Imagine you're presenting a new project idea. Even if you're not the team lead, delivering your pitch with a confident tone and backed up data gives you authority. The 3rd pillar, warmth, is about making people feel safe and valued. In the workplace, this means empathy, kindness, and emotional intelligence. Think of a manager who checks in with you not just about deadlines, but also about how you're handling things. That's warmth. And it's what makes people trust and want to follow you. Here is a practical exercise for you. Write down one way you can express warmth in a workplace conversation this week, like offering encouragement or expressing gratitude. Now let's bring it all together. When presence, power, and warmth come together, they create an irresistible blend of qualities. Presence makes people feel seen, power makes them respect you, and warmth makes them trust you. This combination is the secret sauce of charisma. Here is activity recap for you. 1. Reflect on how you can improve presence. 2. Practice a power pose daily for a week. 3. Intentionally express warmth in one workplace interaction. Charisma is like building a house. Presence is the foundation, power is the structure, and warmth is the welcoming interior. All 3 are essential to create a lasting impression. Here is a closing challenge. Your task this week is to focus on one pillar of charisma, presence, power, or warmth, and actively apply it in your office interactions. Track how people respond. This module equips you with actionable insights and practical exercises to start your journey toward building a magnetic presence in the workplace.